Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to solve one of the issue, that is MoviePy error. Creation of none failed because of the following error. No such file or directory unset. So how to solve this issue? To solve this issue, what we have to do is we have to install this package, that is image magic. Okay, so make sure you have to install this package whenever you try to create video from the text. So in that scenario you have to install this image pick. After that you have to open the image pick 6 policy.xml. I'll show you. So here you can see that we have to open that sudo nano this. Okay, so this will file appear. Now look at the path that is called currently. Here we have to look at the path that is domain. So here you can see that the policy, so this is the domain path, and rights before it is none. Okay, so now you have to make it rights none to rights read and write. Okay, so make sure you have to change the rights to none to read and write. So here you can see that read and write, then control O, control A, save this, and then run your script. The issue will solve. Okay, so this is how you can solve this issue. Any doubt, any query, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.